Church Bell, title Seek the Bridegroom, third part, English story. I had no light or lamp when I came into your house. Why did you let me into your house? I wanted to ask this question to the dignitary old person. Before I asked this question, he told me he had no light or lamp in his heart. That if you want to find the answer, you just wait for a minute. There will be reason. You find which is the reason. Now it is very soon you will see. Immediately the old dignitary person told me that the person waiting outside did not have light or lamp in his heart, and his heart is full of darkness. You will find the answer within few minutes. Suddenly someone lifted my both hands. I felt I was flying higher and higher in the above sky. All I could say, feeling myself that many angels coming with me at that time. I could see many heap of diamonds, rubies, emeralds, sapphires and pearls. What are they? Before I could ask this question to the angels, one of the angels said to me, all these are your treasures that you have saved together in this world of heaven. I was totally shocked and amazed, and at the same time my heart swelled with a lot of joy, happiness and love. Angels told me that whenever you showed compassion, pity, kindness, affection and love to your brothers and sisters and other unknown persons, you were saving much treasures. Anyhow, you strived very hard to get all these treasures for this world. Since you did so many good things in right time in the earth, you accumulated wealth in heaven. In heaven, anyone wants to laying up wealth and riches, they should follow dharma, justice, honesty, passion and affection, for which no selfishness or no self-pride or arrogance. I have understood all that man had done evil things to many people. He had lived a luxurious life and enjoyed all through life, showing no mercy to others. He had lived a life without faith in God. Here are the full details of his life. However, your family had a contact with him and his family on many occasions. When they told me that, I felt myself thrown to deep valley.